Every morning I awake, but you're not there. The silence echoes, and I feel the air. Your absence lingers in the space around. I'm searching for you, but you're not to be found. The words keep turning, the days go by, but every moment without you, I just wonder why. I close my eyes and I feel you near, but when I open them, you're not here. I miss you, my love, more than words can say. Every heartbeat is yours, every night, every day. Your love was my life, my reasons to be. Now I'm lost in the silence, yearning to be free. I miss you, my love, more than you ever know. In my heart, in my soul, you're where I always go.